Hi guys, it's me again, and I am here to talk about the Scrum Mastery Playbook Group Coaching Program that is kicking off very soon. So I'd like to give you a brief overview of what you're going to be expecting in this coaching program. This coaching program is going to last for 10 weeks. So every week we're going to take a module, study that module, ensure that we understand that module. We're going to implement that module and we're going to practice that module until you become exceptional. So today I want to quickly walk us through what those modules are all about, because I know that you want to know exactly what you're going to be paying for, and I'm here to give you all of the juice. So let me grab my computer so that I can, give you a better view of what you will be expecting. All right. So first of all, what is the Scrum Mastery Playbook? This playbook is your coaching guide to becoming exceptionally great Scrum Master. So you're going to learn everything that will help you on a day-to-day basis, so that once you kick off that job and you're in that role, you know exactly what to do, you know how to support your team, you know how to make them effective, you know the gaps to watch out for, and then you have your learning plan that will help you curb some of those anti-patterns that you may find in that organization. So now I have one goal with this program, and my goal is really to enable you go from beginner level to expert level. Now I know that being an expert is a journey, but this program is actually going to help you kick off that journey where you know and have that foundation. And then all you have to do is build on top of what you know, practice on it on a daily basis, and that's how you become exceptional. Okay. Now, what is the Scrum Master Playbook itself? What is this coaching program all about? This is an intensive Agile coaching program that will be supported by weekly live sessions for Scrum Masters. So every week, we're going to meet every week where we're going to review what we've learned. We're going to practice what we've learned. And I'm going to ensure that you have a proper understanding of the modules that you would have revised during the week. So you're going to have a whole week to study some videos, watch videos, learn. And now you're going to come into those weekly live sessions with your questions. We're going to have hot seats where you're going to answer questions. We're going to review, you're going to practice, and that way you're going to implement what you know, and that's the best form of learning. So this is a coaching program where you're going to be doing. So get ready for action, get ready to learn, get ready to grow, and get ready to get that Scrum Master job, right? So now, how do you know if this coaching program is for you? That's some questions that I'm sure that you're probably asking. This coaching program is for you if you do not yet have a job. This coaching program is for you if you're looking to get a Scrum Master role. This coaching program is for you if you've gotten certifications, but you're still in the job market. This coaching program is for you even if you don't have any certification, you have no clue, and you're trying to figure out your way. This is the coaching program for you, because this coaching program is going to teach you everything that you need. It's going to provide you the pathway to becoming a Scrum Master. Okay. Another question many people might have is, can I join if I'm a beginner? And I feel like I just kind of answered the question. Yes, you can join if you're right at the beginning of your journey. If you only know the word Scrum, if you've only heard the word Scrum Master, if you've only heard, oh, wow, those people, they make money, I want to be a part of them. If that is what is motivating you, then yes, sure, you can come on board, and then you will learn to find out if this is the perfect fit for you, and then you can learn. So if you have any questions before you make a decision to actually sign up, you can send me an email, and I'm always reading my email so that I can respond to you in quick time, because registration is going to be closing really soon, and I don't want you to miss out on this lovely offer. So send in your questions, send in your concerns, and I will be sure to respond to your email. Now, another question that you may have is, what is included in this coaching program? Now, this coaching program has 10 modules that is going to basically walk you through the concepts that you need to know to help you become an exceptional Scrum Master. I just don't want you to get a job. I want you to be confident in the job that you get. I want you to be successful in the job that you get. So I'm not going to be coaching you towards getting a job. I am going to be coaching you to get a job, coaching you to understand what your role is, coaching you to be exceptional in that role, and coaching you to transform your team and your organization. That is the goal. And all of the modules are equipped and built in that way so that you can become truly exceptional. All right. So what I'm going to do without making this video lengthy is walk you through the modules that you're going to be learning on the program. The first module is Agile Fundamentals. This is where you're going to be learning the basics of Agile. You're going to be learning about the history, the frameworks that are out there, and really everything that will kind of get you prepared to understanding Agile. So we're going to also learn the frameworks, okay? Now, Agile Essentials, which is module 2, is really where you're going to be learning about the tools, the communication, and how we basically work in the Agile space. Now, module 3 is really focused on product management. This is where you're going to learn everything about product management. You're going to be learning the role of a product owner, what a product backlog is, how do we build a product roadmap, what are the necessary things that are in a product roadmap. You're going to be learning about the product backlog items, user stories, bugs, and whatnot, how to create those, how to estimate those, how to split those. So everything that will help you manage a product backlog is what you're going to be learning. Now, it's important for you to learn this because you're going to be coaching your team and your product owner on how to do this thing. So this module is really going to focus on you learning all of that. Now, module 3 is going to be focused on the Agile metrics. This is where you're going to learn, the Scrum metrics, the Kanban metrics, metrics that has to do with organization, all things metrics is what you're going to learn in module 4. Now, module 5 is where you're going to learn how to facilitate the Agile events. There are several events that are important for you to know how to facilitate. And this is that module where you're going to be practicing, and we're going to be learning and correcting you and making you better. Now, module 6 is where we're going to be reviewing your resume and prepping you so you can start applying. So 6 weeks into this coaching program, guess what? You're already in the market, you're already applying, and you're going to start talking to recruiters and prepping yourself up. So even from week 6, you are already on the move, because at this time you would have learned all of the foundation. You would have, known all of the basics that you need to know to be able to have those conversations with your recruiters. And then module 7 is where we're going to deep dive into the Scrum Master role. What does it take to fully be in this role? How can you be exceptional in this role? How can you help your team to become super effective? That is what this module is all about. And then module 8 is where we're going to be learning how to scale and help your team scale. How do we work in a scaled environment? And this is where you're going to be introduced to those scaling frameworks, and you're going to learn all about those so that you can be ready. So depending on what team you're going to be supporting, you know exactly what to do and how to get them going. Now, module 9 is where we're going to have a mock interview. So you've come a long way, and now it's time for us to prep you for those interviews. And that's what this module is all about. And finally, module 10 is where you're going to be receiving all of the Agile templates, the resources, so that when you are on the job, there are several templates that will come in handy for you, that having that in your toolkit makes life a whole lot easy for you. So this is a summary of what the modules are, and you're going to have recorded videos that you're going to watch. And then you're going to come every week when we're going to have a live session, answering questions, deep diving into those modules. And that way you're going to be more confident about this role, and you're going to be prepared for success. So if this looks like what you were interested in, then click in the link in the description of this video and sign up and join us so that you can be exceptional. I look forward to catching you on the inside.